Jonathan here. Welcome to my part 2 of my series on basic object-oriented Python programming. In the previous video, we created the dog class, and we created the constructor and defined some methods and members of that class. And now we're going to go over inheritance. So inheritance is a principle of object-oriented programming, and we're going to create a new class that inherits from the dog class. So here we create a new class that inherits from dog. And by the way, please subscribe. I forgot to ask for that in the other video, but please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subs. So we're going to create a new class. Sorry, lowercase c, class, service dog, which inherits from dog. We're going to define a new constructor that accepts self, name, breed, and task. Okay. And we're going to use a new method here, or we call the parents classes constructor using the super method. So this is a new method that I haven't covered yet. So the super method calls the constructor of the parent, and this, the service dog is the child class. So yeah, let's go over that example. So within our constructor, we're going to do super dot init name breed and self.task equals task. So you might ask yourself, why are we only assigning this one? Because this super constructor is calling these here. So we only need to assign task here because name and breed have already been passed into the super constructor. And now we can define get info self, and we're going to call the parent object dot get info print task self dot task. So this is going to print out three things. Actually, it's going to print out all these get info items, and in addition to the task. And we don't want to have to recode this. We don't want to rewrite this. This is the whole principle of object-oriented programming, is that we don't have to redo the super's parent objects methods. We can just call super.getInfo. So let's look at this in action now. Dog1 equals service dog. Its name is going to be Fido. It's going to be a golden retriever, and its task is going to be guide dog. So we've created that object. Now we're going to dog1.get get info. And let's see what that gives us. Its name's Fido, it's a golden retriever, it's a guide dog. And we can clean this up a bit. Task. Yeah. Okay, but you might notice too that in service dog we didn't redefine this method here of bark. Dog1.bark. So it has that method, even though we're not we didn't assign it in the subclass that was inherited from dog. So that's kind of the beauty of object-oriented programming, is that you don't have to rewrite your code over and over again. You can do it one time, and it kind of is the most efficient way to program. if you're going to be doing more complex tasks. That's a big if, though. So sometimes you're not doing complex tasks, and it's not super important to be object-oriented, but if you are, object-oriented is the way to go. So thank you so much for watching. Please check out the next part. I guess that would be part 3. And subscribe and comment and like and give this video some attention so that I have more incentive to keep making these.